Hello and welcome back to DaveTech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to reorder apps with the Onn TV. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. And let's go. So we're gonna hop over to apps right here, click on it, and you go down to this bar. Navigate to the bottom, actually is the rightmost part of the screen, and click on reorder. So how you do this is simple. If I want downloader to be the first app, I just click on downloader and I move to the left, and right there I can place downloader there by clicking OK again. And if I want Prime Video to be the last app, I just click on Prime Video and navigate to the right, and I hit the center button again to drop it. So when I'm done, I click on the done button, and there is it. I could have my apps in whatever order I wish to have them and streamline them to work the way I want them to work. So that when I get on the Onn TV, I could just navigate to the first app and even do with the blindfold on. So that's it for this video. If you found that insightful, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next video with content just like this.